My name is Dennis, and this is my family. Welcome to our life. The Chong family, la familia más chévere.
Geek Squad. Say hi. Hi. It's windy and it's kind of cold today. Yeah. We are shopping for a baby shower and just spending time with the girls.
Yeah, going shopping.
Right? Are you guys shopping?
Yes.
Are you guys shopping?
Yeah. Mama,
Isabel. Isabel.
I don't know what to shopping.
Mom! So we're gonna go to Coles right now. Doo-doo-doo.
I'm going that way, Mama. I'm going that way.
You came in that way? You gonna sit? Okay. Okay, this is what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to edit tonight. I'm gonna get this 5GB external hard drive. It's for on clearance for $48.98.
Se va a ir en salvage antes de que baje el 75%, porque muchas de estas cosas bajan solamente al 50%.
And this is what my wife wants.
Pero si